Hello, my dear parents and my dear students. This is Reena ma'am here, welcoming you all on board virtual education through VCC, the virtual platform that we are offering for you to be studying while you are safe inside your homes, wherever you are. So I take this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you, and especially the parents and students who have joined us this year and are at the moment in different places, in different parts of the world. And this is one platform that is going to be bringing us all together. So you'll be meeting each other in the virtual classrooms. We will be having virtual meetings and we will be getting feedbacks virtually. So let's hope that things will fall in place soon and we can meet for real. And meanwhile, the teachers are here, the team who have worked day in and out to make learning a beautiful experience, as it usually is at our school, and they are going to be welcoming all of you for this great VCC experience. So welcome once again. See you all soon.
Hello dear parents and students. Welcome to our virtual contact class platform. I am Reena Chandi. I have been a teacher for 45 years. I am proud to be associated with Life Valley International. Teaching is my passion, especially teaching the smaller children. I teach enhanced English from grades 1 to 4. My subjects are phonics, reading, creative English and music. In our creative writing, our emphasis is on promoting originality and creativity. Hence, each child is encouraged to draw and color his original drawings. He then writes about what he has drawn. As a result, over the year, each child will have a written pictorial manuscript of his own stories. With the arrival of a tiny little virus, our lives as we knew it came to a standstill. The learning-teaching process has flipped over with greater accountability thrust on the shoulders of parents and teachers. It is only natural that we are apprehensive of all these things. However, life is a challenge. Hence, we at Life look forward to partnering with you to transit our children into a better and exciting future. Thank you.
Hello dear children and parents. Welcome to our family of Life Valley Public School. I am Achama Soni, your virtual contact class teacher of Prep 1. I have been teaching Prep 1 for the past 10 years. I know this virtual contact class is going to be challenging for both of us, but I'm sure with your support we can make it work. Please wait for further information about our classes from school. I'll see you soon. Take care. Stay safe.
Happy morning, dear students and parents. I am Sanju Sara Varghese and I will be handling English for the virtual contact classes of grades 10, 11 and 12. Start where you are. Use what you have and do what you can, said by Arthur Ashe. This quote seems very apt during the current times when the novel coronavirus has boomeranged into our society and thrown us all into anxiety and apprehension about even our day-to-day activities. But life goes on, and education too must go on. That is why we at Life have launched the VCC, or the Virtual Contact Classes. And let us work together to make this novel experience a great and fun-filled one. Looking forward to being with you and working along with you this year. Thank you.
Hello to all the parents and students of Life Valley International School, Puduppally. This is Machasna Pochangul and I will be taking charge as the virtual classroom teacher for grade 8 and also as English teacher for grade 6, 7, 8 and 9 students. I'm happy to reach out to you through this platform since we are not able to see face to face, and I'm waiting for that moment when we can see one another physically. However, in the meantime, let's make use of this wonderful opportunity provided by the school management and also by our wonderful team of teachers. So keep in touch, stay safe, be happy, take care.
Hi everyone, my name is Liju Philip and I will be taking English for grades 3, 4 and 5, and also I shall be the VCC, that's a virtual contact class teacher for grade 4. And even though we won't be able to see each other physically, I think we will have a lot of fun virtually through our virtual Zoom classes. We will be meeting each other at least once a week, and I shall be sending you lots of interesting videos and so on. So even though we won't be able to meet each other physically for maybe about a month or so, maybe 2 months, but when we get back we will have a lot of fun, and I think I'll be really missing you till I see you. Bye.
Hello, my dear parents and students. I'm Lisa Sunny Philip, and I'll be the virtual class teacher of grade 3 for this academic year. I will also be teaching social studies for grade 3, 4 and 6, and general science for grade 3. This is my 6th year at Life Valley International School, and let me tell you that I love my job even more with each passing year. A part of me really do miss those welcome hugs and goodbye kisses of my little ones. Another part is also happy to know that all of you are at home safe and sound. Situations are such that the physical reopening of school is not possible in June, but that shouldn't stop us from learning. So here we are, teachers of Life Valley, gearing and prepping up for an amazing, interesting and fun mode of learning, which is quite new to all of us. But we'll work together and overcome all the challenges like we always have. I can't wait to meet you all in person, but till then I will see you all through the virtual classes very soon.
Hello, my dear children and parents. I hope and pray you are safe and healthy. I am Elizabeth Matthew, class teacher for grade 1. Education is a continuous process of learning which cannot and should not be stopped. There are many ways of learning. During this pandemic situation, it is difficult for classroom learning. But I must say, you all are fortunate to be at Life Valley International School, as we are trying our best and will do our best to make our children enjoy learning. And for this, we need your support by being available for the children. Together we can learn and adapt this new method of learning and make it a success for the year till we see in the classrooms.
Hi, I'm Rani Marcos. I'm your virtual class teacher for Prep 2. I have been with Life Valley International School for the last 10 years, and let me tell you, I have enjoyed every bit of it, and it has been a great learning experience for me. Today, all of us are going through a very difficult time of our lives, and there is a new normal in all our lives. We are now looking at having online or virtual classes, and with the start of this new academic year, we are going to implement this for our students. I am as excited as you are to start the new venture, but let me be honest with you, we are also new to this and we are also learning. So be with us, be patient with us, and on my part and on our part, we will do our best to ensure that the children enjoy this rather than go through emotions of it. So be with us, we are there with you, and we will see that the children have a great time. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you soon.
In learning you will teach, and in teaching you will learn, by Phil Collins. Happy morning, dear students and parents. I am Soni Titus, the virtual class teacher for grade 9 2021. I will be facilitating the art of chemistry to students from grade 6 to grade 11 as of now. One child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world, says Malala. Now I would like to add one virus, one technology. We can change the world. We are all anxious, eager, apprehensive in the world of technology. We as teachers of Life Valley will do our very best to help you through this wonderful journey of virtual classrooms. We will cross this bridge together into the green pastures of learning. I would like to welcome all the new students and their parents to our Life family. All the very best and thank you.
Hello my dear parents and students. I'm Salma Kekurijan, the virtual teacher for Physics. I'm assigned to handle the classes from grade 5 onwards. As you all know, we have moved to the new phase of education, the virtual classroom. I hope we'll join together to create a fabulous teaching and learning experience for our students. Thank you.
Hello, my dear parents and students. I am Meetu Singh, virtual class teacher of grade 10. This academic year, I will be teaching Hindi for grade 5 to 10. Since 3 years, I am a part of the Life family. There is nothing as wonderful as seeing my students daily. It's very rightly said, where there's a will, there's a way. And so, in this present situation, we will sail together in the virtual world for our classes.
Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good and staying safe at home. Are you excited about the virtual contact classes? This year is going to be different. My name is Ashley Mary Matthew, teacher of Prep 2 Puthupalli. I'm assisting Rani teacher in the classes. We all will a time of fun and learning together. Thank you. Take care and stay healthy. Bye-bye.
Hello, dear students and parents. I'm Nimisha Panikya, virtual class teacher of grade 6, and I'll be handling mathematics for grade 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is my third year as a Lifeian, and I'm very happy to be a part of this Life family. I welcome you all to the virtual contact classes of this academic session 2021, hoping to see all my dear students very soon. Thank you.
Happy morning all of you. എല്ലാവരും വീടുകളിൽ സുരക്ഷിതരായിട്ടിരിക്കുന്നു എന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. ഞാൻ നിഷ നായർ, ലൈഫ് വാലി ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ സ്കൂളിലെ മലയാളം അധ്യാപിക. ഗ്രേഡ് 6 മുതൽ 10th വരെയുള്ള ക്ലാസ്സുകളിലെ വെർച്വൽ ടീച്ചറും. ഉടൻ തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ വെർച്വൽ കോണ്ടാക്ട് ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ ആരംഭിക്കുകയാണ്. അത് മുഖേന നമുക്കുടൻ തന്നെ പരസ്പരം കാണാമെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. പുതുതായി നമ്മുടെ സ്കൂളിൽ വന്നു ചേർന്ന കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും ലൈഫ് ഫാമിലിയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. എല്ലാവർക്കും നല്ല ദിനം ആശംസിക്കുന്നു, നല്ല നാളെ ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. നന്ദി.
Hello dear students and parents. My name is Dyuti. I belong to the office team of Life Valley International School. I'll be working as the PRO. As you all got intimated, office has started working from morning 9:30 till 12:30. I hope all are safe and sound at home. Stay blessed.
Hi. Happy morning to all parents and all my students. Hope you all are safe and sound. My name is Renu Julian. I will be the virtual class teacher for grade 2 for the academic year 2020-21. I'll be taking 3 subjects, which is English, EVS and Maths. For this, we have chosen 2 platforms. One is Google Classroom and the other one is Zoom app. I'm sure all the parents, they will be having anxieties and increasing degrees of fear, but you don't worry, we are here to help you out. Your faith in Life Valley is deserved, and we'll make sure that it is earned. We have not only covered subject but also incorporated it with both fun and activities. So let us all move forward in unity with shared strength and commitment. I am happy and anxious to join along with you in this journey. Thank you.
Hello, my dear parents and students. I am Richu and I will be taking business studies and accountancy for the plus 2 students. I have been working as an assistant professor for the past 8 years. As we are going to start our classes on virtual contact classes, let me see you all soon. Stay safe and God bless. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sanju Susan Thomas. This year I will be teaching Prep 2 Manganam. So I will be joining Rani teacher and Ashley teacher for the contact classes. Hope to see you all soon. God bless.
Hello parents, I am Santina Thomas. I will be the temporary class teacher for grade 7 for this virtual online class. I will also be teaching social science for grades 7 to 10. In these circumstances, when the school cannot open, the students' learning should not stop. I know we are all very new to this online platform, but it is our duty to rise above the situation and prove ourselves. I am sure all of us will come out of this situation more capable. Regarding the syllabus, I don't intend to cover a lot, especially in the beginning phase, because we all have to become familiar with the situation. For grade 7, I plan to complete 2 modules of geography and 1 module of political science. For grade 8 and 9, I plan to complete 2 chapters of geography and 1 chapter of history. For grade 10, already the classes have started and some chapters are done. For virtual classes, we'll start off with history. That's the rough idea of what I'll be doing for the first term. We are all in this together. Let's cooperate with each other, and as a starter, please create the ID and send it as soon as possible. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello my dear parents and students. Hope all are doing well. My name is Divya Elizabeth Abraham and I'll be the virtual class teacher for grade 5 and I'll be teaching them social studies. I've been part of Life Family for the past 1 year, and as you all know, we have entered into a new phase of virtual learning. Definitely it's going to be a good experience, and this proves us nothing will stop us from learning. So let's work together to create a beautiful history. Thank you.
Hello my dear parents and students. I am Sainu Mary Thomas, virtual class teacher of grade 12. I am handling computer for higher classes and political science for plus 1 and plus 2. This is my 4th year in this Life Valley International School. This year we are going to face a new education system which is quite different from over the past years. This will be a great challenge for all of us. Like other, we will overcome this too by working together. Please stay with us, stay good and safe. And finally, I welcome all of you to this virtual era of education. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hi, hello everyone. So this year is going to be new to every one of us. To as per the teacher, it's a new thing for me and also for you. So this year is actually a virtual contact class, and we won't be meeting in person for a certain period of time, and I miss that. But we will always be contact through this virtual platform. So let me introduce myself. My name is Sumisani and I will be handling the primary section, computer science. It's very interesting for me to make such a video. I was quite excited and I just wanted to tell you that I have seen a lot of activities that you have been doing throughout these holidays, and it's quite interesting that you are making your holidays every time engaged and creative. So thank you everyone. Let's meet you all. Bye.
Hi to all. I'm Ashwati Ramchandran. I may be a new face to all, so let me have an introduction. I'm basically from Pala. I've done my schoolings in Gujarat. I have done my masters in computer application and was working as a software tester. I will be taking Hindi for grade 1, 2, 3 and 4 for the year 2021. I'm really very excited to be a part of Life Valley and to be a part of virtual class. Hope to see you all soon. Until then, we'll be meeting in virtual classes. Take care.
നമസ്കാരം പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട കുട്ടികളെ രക്ഷിതാക്കളെ ഞാൻ സുനിത സ്കറിയ ഈ വർഷം ലൈഫ് വാലി സ്കൂളിൽ പുതുതായി ജോയിൻ ചെയ്ത മലയാളം അധ്യാപികയാണ് ഗ്രേഡ് 1, 2, 3, 4 ആൻഡ് 5 ക്ലാസ്സുകളിലെ മലയാളമാണ് ഞാൻ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നത് ഞാൻ താമസിക്കുന്നത് പുതുപ്പള്ളിയിലാണ് നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും വീട്ടിൽ സേഫ് ആയിട്ടിരിക്കുന്നു എന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് നമുക്ക് നേരിൽ കാണാമെന്ന വിശ്വാസത്തോടെ നിർത്തുന്നു നന്ദി
Hi all, I am Tisha Molsi, a new member at Life Family. I thank God for giving this opportunity to join with you. My subject is mathematics and here I am handling the classes 7, 8, 9 and 10. All you know, we are in a new situation, a crucial situation that we never ever met. These circumstances force us to contact through the virtual classes only. It's a new experience for all of us. So this academic year will be an unforgettable for us in our life, especially for the students. And it's a new experience for us, the teachers also. Go ahead with the situations. Let us dream for the corona-free days. We shall meet again through our virtual classrooms for studying purpose. We can make the mathematics very funny through our new classrooms. Till then, meet again. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Hello, dear students and parents. Welcome to the virtual era. I'm Jisa Rachel George. I joined Life Valley this year, even though I haven't felt that way with all this 11 crew. I will be handling biology for the classes 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and general science for class 4. Even before the corona hit, Life Valley has always paved a different path in the field of education. In this venture also, we promise to keep our style. I wish all the students and parents a great time in this virtual platform. When the time comes, we'll all meet in person. Have a good day.
ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ എൻ്റെ എല്ലാ കൊച്ചു കൂട്ടുകാരെയും ലൈഫ് വാലിയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു ഞാൻ മെലന ഇലിയാസ് പ്രപ്പ് 1 ക്ലാസ്സിലെ നിങ്ങളുടെ അസിസ്റ്റന്റ് ടീച്ചറാണ് പാട്ടുകളുടെയും കഥകളുടെയും ഒരു പുതിയ ലോകത്തിലേക്ക് നിങ്ങളെ എല്ലാവരെയും ഞാൻ ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു ഈ സാഹചര്യത്തിൽ നിങ്ങളെ നേരിൽ കാണാൻ സാധിക്കാത്തതിൽ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാ ടീച്ചേഴ്സിനും അതിയായ സങ്കടമുണ്ട് ഇപ്പോൾ ലോകത്ത് നേരിട്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ഈ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുകൾ എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് മാറാൻ നമുക്ക് ഈശ്വരനോട് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കാം ഒപ്പം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവിധ നന്മകളും നേരുന്നു
Hello, I am Sunita Philip, teaching in Readiness Pudupalli. This is my 9th year with life. It's been such a wonderful journey. Stay safe. God bless you all. Thank you.
Hi parents and my dear children. I am Smita Stanning. I am your readiness teacher at Life Valley International School. Hope you all are keeping safe and sound. Looking forward to meet you all soon. Welcome you all to the Life Valley family. Thank you. Take care.
Hi everyone, my name is Alfie Sunny. I am a new member to the Life family. I've joined as an administrator. I wish all our students a blessed year of learning in the midst of this pandemic, and I hope to see you all soon in person.
Hello little ones and parents, I am Reema Sunal. For the past 7 years, I be teaching at Life Valley Public School, and I'll be guiding you in your virtual classroom for Prep 1. In this pandemic situation, we all are very anxious about our kids' education, but with your support, we are going to have fun-filled, creative classes for our kids. Hope to see you soon. Till then, take care and God bless.
Hi all, I am a new member of Life Valley family. My name is Dhanya V. Nair. I am working as a librarian. I hope all are doing well. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello my dear kids and parents. I am Namita Dibu, readiness teacher in Manganam School. Hope we are all safe and enjoying the holidays. We will be meeting soon in the virtual classroom. We will have lots of fun and activities. I am sure you will love it. See you soon. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.